Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor has sent me a free product, and this is a paid review. Let's get straight to it, shall we? This is a tool bag. Let's open it. I have not opened it. Let's see what it can do, shall we? Let's take it for a spin. Brand name is Rexmica, Rexmica. Some pouches here. So, first off the bat, I see that we have 3 different colored pouches, so we can put some different things in that. That's nice. Looks like we have some sort of a divider here. So we'll have to figure that out. Let's figure that out. And then we have the bag itself. It's large. So this must be the bottom, I'm guessing. Yes, okay. So that is the bottom. Oh, okay. It was just packed. Interestingly. So that is a large bag. I mean, you could use this as other than a tool pouch too. I mean, you could use this as, the first thing that came to mind is a makeup case for ladies. There's all kinds of pouches here. All kinds of pouches here. I mean, you could use it for a tool, but don't get me wrong, you could use it for a tool bag. But the first thing that came to mind was a makeup case for ladies, because there's all kinds of little pouches here for women to put their needles, bobbles, and whatnots. And then you have all of these things here that you could put all of your things in. So, tool bag, yes, absolutely. And then you also have this, which goes in here. Right like that. And like that. And then there's a Velcro over here. So even more so, I'm thinking, boy, it's you could use this for a lot of things, not just a tool bag. It's got, and you can actually put things in the side here. There are pouches on the side here also to put tools. Of course, you have a shoulder strap. Pouches on the end here also. Really nice bag, folks. I mean, and then when you put the divider in, really nice. And then you can fill these with stuff and put them in there. This is a really versatile bag. I mean, it says tool bag, but you could definitely use this as a overnight case, makeup case, kind of a briefcase to haul, or sample case if you're a salesperson. And of course it has just that regular old handle. Carry it that way. Then you have your carrying strap here for shoulder. Guys, go out and get your Rexmica tool case / makeup case / overnight bag / whatever you want to do with this. This is a very versatile bag.